YON WORLD, what's the deal? Hey, I gotta share this information with y'all, man. I try to share this information with everybody I know, and I just got like 100 subscribers yesterday, so I gotta drop this information. This is just version 1. I'm gonna drop plenty more videos like this throughout my YouTube career. So, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe. This is the new way to survive out here. Nah, it's a lot going on, a lot of things being closed, a lot of people losing their job. I wanna share a new way with y'all. Now, you can follow the old way, which is like go to college, get a job, you know what I'm saying? Work till you 65, you know, build up your 401k, you know what I'm saying, and retire when you're 65. That's like the way everybody is taught. Nothing is wrong with getting an education. Nothing is wrong with going to trade school for like 2 or 3 years, 4 years out of your life and learning something that can help you. But what I want to teach y'all, digital real estate. I know a lot of people would tell you that, you know, physical real estate is what's been making people rich for years. And, you know, it does this by them acquiring a piece of property. You know, they may have a piece of property, and depending on how large your portfolio is, or how many properties you got, how many tenants you got, how many occupied units you have, you know, you receive a certain amount of residual income. You know, it's maintenance because you have to maintain these houses. You know, you have to pay different taxes and everything like that. But it's a lot of benefits, you know, with that lifestyle, you know. So there's nothing wrong with real estate at all. There's nothing wrong with physical real estate. But what I want to teach y'all today is about digital real estate. Digital real estate is when you create a product or a service online, right? And it creates revenue for you. It creates residual income for you. It creates passive income for you. Now, the thing about when you create a digital asset, or, you know, digital real estate, I call it, like, everything you create is called a digital asset, right? When you create digital real estate, the big difference is the maintenance. Now, with physical products, you have to maintain them. Like, you got to maintain the house. A house can get destroyed. You know what I'm saying? The house could be in a bad location. You know, it could, you know, it's a lot of things that can go wrong with houses. Like the pipes could bust, you know, it could have mold. It's a lot of things that could go wrong with a house that you would have to physically go there and repair. But the thing about a digital asset is that it's no maintenance. It's zero maintenance. So once you create the product once you take the 3 to 4, 5 hours, however long it take you to create your digital asset, you know, once you create that product once and you put it out there, it's no maintenance, you know, and it's monetized, it's no maintenance. After that, it makes money automatically. It makes money when you sleep. And your only goal is to promote and drive traffic and to create more. Because once you learn about this method I'm teaching y'all, which is called digital real estate. Now, this could be, you could have any type of digital real estate. You could be an author, you know, and create ebooks. Now, one thing I wanted to point out before I go in any further is that with all of this crisis and everything, you know, on lockdown, and all of these markets crashing, all these industries crashing, you know, the one thing that's still floating, you know, the one thing that's still attractive and still got a good price? Amazon. You know, what is Amazon? Amazon is digital real estate. Amazon is a digital asset. Every time somebody adds a product to Amazon, that's a digital asset. You know what I'm saying? It has the potential for being up there for years, you know, forever. And the thing about Amazon is it's showing you the way the earth, the way the world is moving, you know, the way society is moving. You know, just look at how Amazon is moving, because Amazon is going to control the future, you know, with everything becoming autonomous, online, digital, cashless. You know, Amazon got a grocery store 100% cashless. You know what I'm saying? You go in there, you grab stuff, and you walking out, and you get built on your phone. Digital real estate could be anything, right? It could be anything. Like, you could be an author selling books on Amazon. You can sell your books digitally. You can create a book one time, man. It can get sold over and over and over again. You could be a musician and, you know, make music. You know, every time you have a song, you know, every time it gets streamed, it get played, once you monetize it right, you know, You get paid for every single stream over and over and over. Every time somebody streaming. Low maintenance. There's zero maintenance on this shit, bro. Hey, I was editing this and I forgot to mention, you can even buy intellectual property. You can buy people music royalties. You can buy websites that's already established that make advertising revenue. You can buy established drop shipping businesses already. So it's more than one way to buy digital real estate and to participate in this method, which I'm talking about, digital real estate. But let's keep going with the video. Let people know, like, YouTube ain't, just pranks and shit. Like, you don't gotta get on here, trying to be funny, trying to be entertaining. You can be educational. You could be informative. You know what I'm saying? You could give the news. You could, talk about society events, like give your beliefs. You know how when you talk to your friends about shit, you know what I'm saying? Make a video about that shit, because the thing about YouTube is you can monetize your content. No matter who you are, and you understand the guidelines of YouTube. Once you fully understand the guidelines and the monetization of YouTube, man, you could take this shit far. You could really take this shit far. So it's a lot of ways you can use digital real estate, man. It's a lot of ways you can use this concept. And I'm gonna make another video about this, but I just had to, it was just on my mind. Like, I just gotta let y'all know, like, this is what's happening. This is gonna be the people who sink or swim during this time. The people who can't, migrate to the digital, the online way, the cashless, the having digital real estate, and they depend on everything in this physical, y'all might not be able to fully make the shift. It's gonna be a whole new type of a group. It's gonna be a whole new group of people that are in what's called a lower class, and all of these people that are understanding this internet, these young people that's getting on this internet and that's making presences and names for themselves and just understanding this shit. It's gonna be their time. It's gonna be their time, and it's shifting. It's shifting right in front of our eyes, and I just want y'all to be prepared, because it's gonna hit some people like a ton of bricks. Some people still, following the old way. Some people still following the old way, still believing in the old method, and it's still working. But this can happen. It can shut down on you. It can stop. It can literally stop. And I just want everybody to see, like, because I know it's people that's really going through it out there, like, that's really having, financial hardships right now. And, they depend on the system up and down. Like, if they don't have a 9-to-5 job, if they not working for somebody, they don't know how to make $1,000. They don't know how to make $1,000 unless they working for somebody. Like, we not taught, like, the entrepreneurship, man. We got to get on our digital assets, y'all. And I say this, I really mean this shit for real. Like, I know this video, however y'all look at this video, you know what I'm saying? Because a lot of people gonna judge me just how I look and not even take the information. But digital assets are what's gonna save you, whether that's building a website, whether that's, starting a YouTube channel, whether that's dropping your music, man, whether that's, becoming an author, selling products online, becoming a digital advertiser, finding out how to advertise online and make commissions from sales. Like, you gotta do something. You gotta create a digital product for yourself that can sell when you sleep. And you gotta promote that shit. You know what I'm saying? You gotta scale your shit up, because you can make money. You can make more money than the system, the system method. And I'm telling y'all, digital money, the digital way, digital assets, digital real estate, that shit gonna take over the entire market. I'm telling you. You know what I'm saying? If you're not going digital, if you're not integrated with the internet in some type of way, you gonna lose.